Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to use Thread app by Instagram. Now to do that, you need to download the Thread application from your Google Play Store or Apple Store for iOS device. Once the downloading process is done, you tap on Thread app. Now once you open the Thread application, you will be at this home page. For you to sign up, or let's say for you to log in into the Thread, all you need to have is Instagram account. As you are already logged in into your Instagram account on your Instagram application, you will see this option log in with Instagram and your Insta user ID. You just tap on that, and once that is done, you will have your profile for the Thread easily created. There's your name, bio, link. If you want to import from the Instagram about your bio or link, you can tap on import from Instagram. I'm just gonna skip this process. I'm gonna tap on next on the top right. Now you can choose whether you want your Thread account to be private or public. You have the option over here. I'm gonna go with the private one. I'm gonna choose private and then tap on continue. Follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram. So you have the option to follow the accounts that you follow on Instagram. Same here in Thread. I'm going to tap on follow and follow each and every account that I follow on my Instagram account. Same as in Thread. Tap on join Thread. Thread somehow is similar to the Twitter account. If you have a Twitter account, you will have a bit of an idea for how you can use Thread application. So here, this is the Thread homepage. The home icon, the search icon where you can search for the profile that you want to follow. Likewise, the pen and pencil icon where you can post a thread for people on your profile view. Then you will have the option, the heart icon, where you will find all the followers or the people that you want to follow request. Then there's replies and all the mentions will be seen here. At the end, the profile icon. Here you can make changes to your profile, edit your profile settings, share your profile. This is the basic of the Thread. Now I'll show you how you can post on Thread. For that, you need to tap on the middle icon, the pen and paper icon. Tap that. Now there you need to type in the caption, or you need to type in the text over there. You can also choose videos or photos to be uploaded on your Thread post. For that, you tap on the paperclip icon, which will give you access to the phone gallery of your phone device. From there, you can choose photos or videos to be posted. I'm gonna go with the random photo over here and then tap on done on the top right. There's the picture. This is just uploaded. Now you can provide the text for the photo, or let's say caption, just as the Instagram. Then once that is done, you tap on post on the bottom right and the upload will begin. You can see the posting. Tap on view and the photo will be uploaded on your Thread profile easily. You can also share your profile. For that, all you have to do is tap on share profile on your top right, and from there you can share your profile to the other social media platform for friends to follow you on Thread. The look and function are very much similar to the Twitter, but somehow it's different as well. So this is the way how you can use Thread application by Instagram. Hope this information was useful for you to get started on Thread. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.